What's up? So I'm just gonna show you here how I package my products or whatever. Is I take the shipping label, I'm gonna hold it like this so you can't see the name or whatever. I'm gonna put it on this side and I'm gonna put it like right here. The shipping label is pretty small for this package, but I usually ship smaller packages like this big. So you know, that's a pretty big size difference. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna get my tape, and I always put the label on first because if you put all the products in there and then you put the label on, it's just not gonna stick. Well, it will, but like it makes it all crinkled up and everything. So I just personally don't really like it. So my tape's being stupid, so hold on. I just put the tape on right there. Please ignore whiskey barking. Okay, and so now I just put another one down here on the bottom. Now I get the products ready, and I'm just gonna like turn it this way to where this strip is, because this is what you tear off, you know? So the things that this girl got, she got literally like everything on my store, like I'm not even joking. She got a bunch of stuff. If you can see all this is everything that she got. Thank you so much. I'm not gonna say her name or anything, but thank you so much. I appreciate this order so much because she spent so much money and she literally bought like everything on my freaking store, and I'm so thankful. So thank you so much if you're watching this. I really do appreciate it, like so much. So what I do is first I package. First you have to make all this stuff if you don't have it like stocked up. So these are my lip oil set. It comes with jasmine, hibiscus, and the golden rose, and then she also got the golden rose set. So those two things, that's another golden rose lip oil, a golden rose gloss, and the golden rose lip scrub. And then she got 3 lip scrubs. She got Hawaiian, pineapple, and rosebud. First, I'm gonna put all this stuff in little packaging. So I have these little bags. I'm getting new bags. I'm super excited. They should be here in a couple days, but I'm gonna put all of the lip gloss in one. I'm also going to put her a little friendship bracelet. This is my business card. I'm just going to put a business card in there. And then instead of bubble wrap, I like to use this stuff. I think it's cuter, personally. So let's go ahead and put all this stuff in here. I like to take some of this and put it in here first. Just because, absolutely no. So now I'm just going to start putting stuff in there. Always double check everything. Make sure you have all of whatever the person ordered. Make sure you have it all like ready, and double check before you just throw everything in here and ship it off, because you don't want somebody to get the wrong item or something. So make sure you have the label right, the packaging right, everything is right before you close it. So I'm just gonna check one more time and make sure this is everything that she had. Okay, so now that you have made sure that everything's in there, ignore all this extra stuff. So I'm just gonna put the friendship bracelet and sit it on top so she can see it, and then also my business card just kind of sitting like this. Then I'm just gonna take it like this and rip the stuff off and close it. It says obviously you have great taste, and it has like a little handle. She'll be able to carry it. You can hear my stomach. Please ignore my stomach growling. So yeah, and so her packaging is done. So obviously I have more packages. I'm not gonna show you guys everything, like, because literally what I just showed you guys is what I do for all of my packages. So yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my cosmetic store. It will be in the description box below. Boop, boop. Also my Instagram, I'm doing a $100 giveaway, a plus products giveaway. So all that will be in the description box below. It's free to enter. Absolutely no purchase necessary unless you want to. But yeah, I'll be coming out with a video specifically for that because I know people have a lot of questions about it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave any requests or comments down below. I love you guys. Bye. Really quickly forgot to say I put a little thank you sticker right here on the opening so you guys can see that. And yeah. So really fast, I also forgot to mention that I put these little tags on here. It just says their name, and I'll write like a little note on the other side like thank you or something like that. So yeah.